Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Script and Execute. My name is Shruti. So in this video we are going to talk about one of the most useful features available in Playwright, that is Codegen. Okay, so Codegen is very useful features in Playwright. Okay, so what Codegen will do is, so it will help us generate the test script directly from our browser actions. Okay, so instead of writing everything manually from scratch, Playwright automatically generate the code for us. Okay, so let us see how. So let us go to VS Code and go to terminal, and this is the command npx playwright and type codegen and the application you want to get the code. Okay, so here I'm just using system application. Just copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Okay, so one important thing to remember is, so here CodeGen captures everything you do on the website. Okay, so if you click somewhere and if you type something and if you press tab and if you move mouse or you do any mouse actions, it captures everything. Okay, but in real time automation, we might not need those steps. Okay, so later we can delete. Okay, so here this is our application and this is Playwright Inspector. Okay, so this is where already we can see the steps got recorded. Okay, so here I'll just enter username. I'll just type. So you can see here it is, here it got the locator and it's typing the data standard hyphen user. So next I'll press tab and password is secret underscore sauce, and press tab and click on login. Okay, so here this generated the script for us. Okay, so this is also called as record and playback. Okay, so this is recording. If you want to stop, you can press on this button, so it will stop recording. Okay, so here this is what I was saying. Okay, so here we don't need to press, click on this username field. So if you just, this step is enough. Okay, so and at the same time, like, we don't have to press tab. Okay, so this step is enough. So whatever the action you perform on the keyboard or mouse, it will record everything. Okay, but as I said, we may not need all those steps, but after generating the script, we can clean it up. Okay, so we can remove unnecessary actions and modify the script before using it. Okay, okay, so remember this is a Playwright Inspector, and if you want this, you can copy this. Okay, copy and paste, and you can execute. Okay, so this is very useful for beginners. Okay, so and we cannot, and this will not add any assertions or validations. Okay, so this is only to get the locators. Okay, and also, like, it will add steps like I'll start recording and I'll show you. So drop down, I'll select drop down and I'll select name A to Z. And if I come here, so it will say, select options. For these things it is useful. Okay, so it saves time. Okay, so as I said, this is very useful for beginners. Okay, so it saves time, like, you don't have to wait or spend time in identifying the locators, so it will identify the perfect locator for us. Okay, okay, so there is also another way to do this, that is, so what I've done is, so I've opened the codegen from terminal. So we can open this terminal from inside our VS Code itself. For that, what we need to do is, we need to go to extension section. So this is the extension section. Okay, so click here, and here you need to type that playwright test for VS Code. This is very good extension for playwright. Playwright test for VS Code, and this is the one. Click on it, and here, so I've already installed. So for the first time, it will show install and install it. Okay, so once you install, you will get this testing icon, so this beaker icon. Okay, so here it will list all the projects. Okay, I'll just close this. Okay, so if you want to execute here, or if you want to run the script, you can just click on this run button. Okay, so run tests, it will run all the tests inside this project. Okay, so I'll just stop. So another important thing I want to show is this Playwright. Okay, so this is record a new. This is what I wanted to show you. Okay, so here also we can record the script. Oh, sorry, record our script. Okay, so what it will do is it will observe our actions on the browser and it will write the steps for us. So click on record new. So it will launch the browser. So you can see it created a spec file for us. So from terminal, if you open CodeGen, we have to manually copy and paste. But if you open the CodeGen from VS Code, it will create the spec file for us. Okay, it will launch the browser. So this is just getting time because it's because of my laptop is slow. Otherwise, it will launch. So I'll copy this URL. So I'll just do press and click on login, and if you go here, so now it has created the steps for us. Okay, so this is what about CodeGen. Okay, and also important thing is about this extension, Playwright Test for VS Code extension. Okay, so this is very useful when you're practicing. Okay, so when you're implementing framework, so what you have to do is you just generate like this and copy paste the code to the particular classes. Okay. Okay, so I hope this video is useful, and if you think you learned something from this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.